Hi, in this video I will show you how to half swipe on the Snapchat. So the process is pretty simple. So half swipe is about you can read someone message on the Snapchat without letting them know. So first of all, open your Snapchat and go to your chats from here. After that you have to select the person you want to see the message without letting them know. You have to tap a while on the profile of that friend like this and swipe your screen to the right, and you will see this will happening. Now read your message from here. Once you will read your message, swipe to the left again. Now you, in this way you can read the message from your friend, and it will also without knowing them. So this is the half swipe procedure. If you want to do this, simply follow this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.